Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Roman. I'm in the process of rebuilding this 2017 Chevy Silverado 3500 dually wheels. In a previous video, I've changed this A-pillar, and I actually sprayed the front part and inner part of this A-pillar just with the regular spray paint, and the outer portion we're gonna spray with the regular automotive type of paint, and we're gonna put base coat and clear coat. I also prepared a door and side of the bed for a little trim paint. So let's get to it. I actually just remembered one important step that I wanted to do. This rocker panel actually have texture, and I have a heavy texture spray in a spray can. So I'm gonna let this first coat dry pretty good, and we're gonna apply texture on the rocker panel. Okay guys, so it's been a minute, next day, and we're actually gonna start assembling. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is another day. The truck is already painted. Let me show you. So this is the fender. I pretty much had no option but to paint outside, as you probably guessed, just because of the size of the truck and because I just don't have room in the garage. So I had a window yesterday when wind disappeared pretty much completely for a brief moment, and that's when I jumped on it and sprayed this truck. Quick tip: I always make same mistake when you tape your panel with plastic, and I try to put a paper right next to where the paint is going to be laid, because that's the problem that you potentially can have, because this plastic is flapping as you paint. Air start flapping this plastic. The paint starts peeling and flying all over the place. I actually took an air gun and blew all this paint also to minimize all that paint in my finish. So, but yeah, things like this are usually a problem. Like this plastic was pretty tight. It didn't flap much, but still, try to put a paper right next to where the paint is going to be laid. Okay guys, so this is gonna be a good example of what not to do. First, you're not supposed to spray on the direct sunlight, because your material is gonna dry on top and lock solvents on the inside, which potentially will cause finish problems. Another thing not to do, use a conventional gun with the low HVLP pressure settings. Another thing not to do is use leftover clear for your mixture, but because this clear dries so slow and temperature inside the garage is pretty low right now, it's still in usable condition. What I actually use when I do my trim panels inside the hood, sometimes inside the door, which is now usually I'll use base coat and clear in 2 stages on doors, but like radiator supports, hoods, I do about 20% of already mixed clear coat and hardener, and about 80% or so of base coat. I mix it up and it's becomes a single stage paint, so it's kind of it works. I never had any issue with the finish, long term or short term, and yeah, I mean it's a pretty quick way, nice and quick way of doing trim panels. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I got base coat on it. I got 2 coats of clear. Didn't have any more clear, and I'm actually didn't want to put any more clear anyway. I wanted to let it dry as fast as possible because of that. I don't know if you can see it right there. Those bugs. Those are little, I don't know, what do you call them, stinky bugs, or they're attracted to white. And it's actually, it's just a part of the game when you paint outside. I mean, if there's gonna be a leaf falling right now, there's no way around it for me except like maybe setting up some sort of canopy or something. But bugs are inevitable. They're gonna be there when you paint outside. Okay guys, so we are done with painting the truck. This is gonna be it for this video. In the next video we are gonna start assembling, we're gonna finish assembling interior, and we're gonna start assembling outside exterior parts, hood, hopefully lights and stuff like that. So stick around, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.